Imagine that you're in a situation in which you have to take a decision quickly of what to do, but you don't have time to use your calculator to do it. For example, let's say that you go to a market, and when you go to a market, you decide to buy something, let's say X, and somebody tells you that you have the first option that is 32X at 45 cents each. And the second option is that you have to buy 56X at 27 cents each. What will be the best way to calculate or to know which one is the best option, which one is the cheapest option? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to estimate values, how to estimate multiplication and division with integers in a way that you can know how to do this type of calculations and how to take proper decisions. Now let's go. Let's go back to the board. Let's see how to do it. And the first thing that I would propose you to do is to round these numbers. So I'm going to round 32 to 30, and I'm going to round these 45 cents to 50. Why I'm rounding to 50? Because 45, it's going to be about, when you have the second digit, that is a number 5 or more than 5, you should round the next 10 in this case, or the next place value to the next number, 4 to 5. So in this case, it's going to cost you 30 times 5. It's going to cost you about 1,500. Remember to add the two zeros. 1,500 cents or $15. And now let's see what happened with option number 2. With option number 2, I'm going to get that is 56. So 56 will be rounded to 60 at $27. So I'm going to round 27 cents, to 30 cents. And now I'm just going to multiply 6 times 3. It's going to be 18. I'm going to add the zeros. So I'm going to have 1,800 cents or $18. So look at that. In this situation, you can see that even that the cost of the X in the second option is very small, it's going to cost you more because of the quantity of the X they ask you to buy. And this is something interesting because we're rounding the numbers, and when we round the numbers, we can see that you can take decisions better. Now, maybe you can ask, okay, but what happens if I want to multiply these numbers quickly and I wanted to do it in my mind? There are many strategies to do it. I'm going to show you one strategy, especially when you have multiples of 5, like 45, and when you have numbers that are close to a 10, like 27. So what you can do in your mind? What you can do in your mind is 32 times 45. And 45, you can round 45, or you can say that 45 is just 90 divided by 2, right? So I just need to multiply 32 times 9. 32 times 9 is going to be 18. 9 times 3, 27, 28. 228 divided by 2. And this is going to be 422. 9 times 2, 18, 9 times 3, 27, 128. So 122. Okay, I made mistakes sometimes. I'm going to divide it again. Sorry, and so it will be 1,440. Look at that, it's about around 1,500. Look at that. I just showed you how when I multiply, I check that my number should be around the number that I provide with my estimation. This is so important that when you work on numbers and multiplications, estimate first the operation so you will know the answers. You can see I put an answer and something in my mind told me that it was something wrong. Why? Because my estimation told me that should be around 1,500 and my answer wasn't about 1,500. Something in my mind told me that. Okay, so that's why you got 1404. And now in the second option, I'm going to show you how to use another strategy to multiply. And in this case, you can tell that 27 it could be written as 30 minus 3. So I'm going to multiply 56 times 30 minus 3, and this is good. The good thing is that you're multiplying by 3, so you just need to multiply once by 3. 3 times 56, you can see that 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 5, 15, and 116. So it will be 1680 minus 168. 10 minus 8 is 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. And we have 1512. Look at that, this number is not close to 1800, but it's, you know, around the number, and it's greater than 1500. Look at that, even our operation, it gets us like a number that is not close to 1800 because of the approximations we did. We can see that the numbers are, one number is greater than the other. Okay, and this is something that you need to do when you estimate numbers, when you estimate operations with integers, and when you multiply integers. So in this video, we just saw two things. The first one is how to estimate multiplications using integers. And the second is we saw few strategies, there are many strategies of how to multiply the numbers to check our answer maybe in your brain. And this is how this video ends. This is about the first course that I'm doing about stage 8 of Cambridge curriculum. And I hope that you continue watching and observing these videos to learn more about everything regarding operations with numbers, integers, variables, and everything. See you in the next video, and bye-bye. Enjoy.